Hello everyone, this is the history video for class 12. We were doing Mauryan administration in the previous video. In today's video, we will look at the new kingdoms, new chiefdoms which arose after the weakening and decline of the Mauryan Empire. The new kingdoms which emerged at the south of India or in the Deccan after the decline of the Mauryan Empire were three kingdoms mainly: the Cholas, the Cheras, and the Pandyas. So, the name of the ancient Tamil country in which these kingdoms were situated, the name of the ancient Tamil country was Tamilakam. Tamilakam included parts of present day Andhra Pradesh and Kerala, in addition to present day Tamil Nadu. We know about these states from a variety of sources. For instance, the early Tamil Sangam texts, they contain poems describing chiefs and the ways in which they acquired and distributed resources. Many chiefs and kingdoms, including the Satavahanas, who ruled over parts of western and central India, and the Shakas, a people of Central Asian origin who established kingdom in the northwest and the western part of the subcontinent. These kingdoms, these new kingdoms, they derived revenues from long distance trade, the Satavahanas and the Shakas. Their social origins were often obscure, but as in the case of Satavahanas, once they acquired power, they attempted to claim their social status in a variety of ways. In what ways? We will see. One means of claiming high status was to identify with a variety of gods. This strategy is best exemplified by the Kushanas, who ruled over a vast kingdom extending from Central Asia to North India. The history has been reconstructed from inscriptions and textual traditions. So the Kushana history has been reconstructed from the ancient traditions of texts and inscriptions. The notion of kingship they wish to project and perhaps best evidenced in their sculpture and coins. So we know a lot about how divine kingship was portrayed by the Kushanas from their coins and their statues. Colossal statues of Kushana rulers have been found installed in a shrine near Mathura. So, Mathura was this North Indian city where a large number of huge sized Kushana statues were found. Similar statues have been found in a shrine in Afghanistan as well. Some historians feel this indicates that the Kushanas considered themselves godlike. Many Kushana rulers also adopted the title Devaputra, possibly inspired by the Chinese rulers who called themselves Son of Heaven. By the 4th century, there is evidence of a larger state, including the Gupta Empire. Many of these depended on Samantas. Who were the Samantas? Men who maintained themselves through local resources, including control over land. They offered homage and provided military support to the rulers. Powerful Samantas could become kings. Conversely, weak rulers might find themselves being reduced to the position of Samantas. Histories of the Gupta rulers have been reconstructed from literature, coins, and inscriptions, including the Prashastis, composed in praise of kings. While historians often attempt to draw factual information from such composition, those who composed and read them often treasured them as works of poetry rather than accounts that were literally true. So, Prashastis and the literatures found during the Gupta period, they were regarded as literature rather than accounts of histories which were actually true. While historians have searched for truth inside these inscriptions, inside these Prashastis, whatever little truth they had, but they were always considered by the poetry writers, by the poets of those age, as being a fictional source of entertainment to exemplify the status of the king and nothing more. The Prayag Prashasti, composed in Sanskrit by Hari Sen, the court poet of Samudragupta, is an example of this. So the Prayag Prashasti, which was composed by the court poet of Samudragupta called Hari Sen. Hari Sen composed the Prayag Prashasti. So this was an example of how literature can be a source of finding facts for historians and for pure entertainment value for the poets of those areas. Okay, we are stopping here. We will continue with this chapter in the next video. Till then, bye.